Hello explorers, today I will be showing you my 2-week packing video. Starting with bottoms. I usually take a pair of black pants or black leggings with me on my trips. My folding style is a Marie Kondo folding style. I take a skirt, usually neutral colors, fit every single color in my palette. This pair of jeans I usually bring with me on board as I usually wear it since it is a heavier fabric. Next up is shorts. I got these cute shorts at Old Navy. Great price. And again, neutral colors. They match with everything I have. These sleeping shorts / gym shorts could be used for any versatile use. Now it's time to pack them up. Notice this cute packing cube from IKEA. It came in a set of about 6 packing cubes for such a great price. I enjoy using them because it's compact and helps you pack less. Next up are tops. This top is nice canvas hardy material, but it's still pliable enough to be folded inside your packing cubes. Take a white one because it matches with everything I have. I take a plain white tee that I can wear on the plane or for sleeping in any occasion. This tank top is really nice because you can either dress it up or dress it down. I like the style and how light the fabric can be. This is a nice cozy long sleeve. I like to have this in case I need to wear layers. You never know when it might get a little bit chilly. I love this nice 3/4 sleeve shirt. It's a really nice blouse because it looks so formal when you want it to be, and it can also be paired with shorts to make it for a casual look. Time to pack it up. Fill up the packing cube as much as you can, and these are really nice, simple, light fabrics that can fit into any packing cube and make for versatile outfits. Next time is sockies. I love folding all my socks in the same format, also with my underwear, and into this nice long packing cube. It's a great way to compress all your items into one small, compact space. One of my favorite sections are my toiletries, of course. I put in my contact lens solution along with my Dr. Bronner's multiple use Castile soap. You can really use it for anything. Native is this new brand that I was introduced to by my cousin. I found this tiny little deodorant, which is cucumber and mint. I always pack some SPF. It is very important for your skin to use SPF anytime the sun is out. Have my nice toothbrush with a nice toothbrush cover. Close that section up. For the bottom section, I have a nice slim comb, a roll-on perfume, which I think is essential for traveling light. This one is Versace Bright Crystal. I also include this olive oil moisturizer for the face. And of course, chapstick. Especially with that recycled air on the flights, it's very important to be nice and hydrated. At the very top of this toiletry case, I include an extra pair of contact lenses and a contact lens case. Time to zip it up. I love that this middle section detaches completely. You can take it with you, and you can also just place it back in when you need to bring it with you and rolling it up. This nice little toiletry case, which is nice and compact, was purchased at Muji, which is one of my favorite stores now. Clip it up, and good to go. This is a nice Patagonia backpack that was purchased a couple years ago. I love the color and always important to include an empty water bottle. I love this backpack because it's so spacious and it has so many compartments that you can put anything you want into. It also has lots of space and it is waterproof. I love this ultra light down packable jacket from Uniqlo and this waterproof rain jacket, which is very slim and light, from Costco. I include my Chromebook, my bullet journal, and a marker and Muji pen. Next up is this Lilo & Stitch, this really cute Stitch silicone case where I include all my cords and all my electronic cables. I like the silicone case because I really don't like when I get static shock. I don't know, it's one of those things that I've never felt okay with. So I like the fact that it's silicone because that means it reduces the static shock. Time to pack it all up. One pocket for my Chromebook, another pocket for my notebook, and a separate pocket for my writing utensils. Bottoms, tops, my toiletry case, then I have my lightweight rain jacket, which I'm putting on the side since there's so much space in this backpack. This is a 25-liter backpack, in case you're curious, and I will attach the link in the description down below. There goes my Uniqlo jacket, the undergarments, and as you can see, there's so much space. More space for shoes. I usually only take one pair or two, or any souvenirs you might like to bring home. There it goes Stitch in the main pocket for easy access. Thank you for watching this 2-week travel packing video. Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Pear Life website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!